I used to watch the first three Aliens on videotape. Alien Resurrection went to the cinema. And then I think these might have even been on DVD. I never got a Blu-ray system. I went from DVD to streaming or just watching uh, movies on the internet. Alien versus Predator, that's kind of connected with another type of movie, but they put that in. So like Aliens, Alien 3 Resurrection, and then skip to Prometheus, Alien Covenant, and the one that just came out, Alien Romulus. So I guess it kind of follows on from that. That would be a good question for Gemini, actually. Why don't we do this? I'll show you see how good Gemini is right now. If I go to Gemini and I'll see if I can just talk to it. So there's a new word for you. This is going to be called chronological order. Okay. It's basically meaning that when we're watching the movies, sometimes they don't release them in the right order. They release something that's further in the future, even though it was filmed in the past, and then the newer films are actually in the past before the original movie. So if I just say to Gemini, see if it picks it up, say allow. Hey Gemini, can you give me the chronological order of the Alien series movie with Sigourney Weaver up until 2024, as well as the new one, Alien Earth? And just explain to us what's the timeline when it comes to watching this if you wanted to watch it step by step. Cover in vocabulary that I miss after this recording. Just let me know. You said this word here. You can use the subtitles. There'll be subtitles generated from uh where will they be generated from? They'll be generated from YouTube, and then you can copy and paste or type it in with your social media account, with your phone or computer, and say, "Hey, can you explain these words in a future episode?" Well, because this is a like a raw live stream about what I'm doing on my internet history, but we'll do follow-ups to this. I can go back and I can clip this. I can change it. I can do re-releases. I can even create shorts for bite-size little English lessons off the larger videos that I posted earlier. So we can do this step by step. Just let me know. Okay, so it says that's a great request. Alien franchises can be tricky due to the prequels. Probably should explain prequels. I'll have to do that now because I kind of forgot. I'm an English teacher, but I forget meanings sometimes. Prequels. See, we're not that different. Cambridge Dictionary. Prequels. Okay, a prequel, a film, book, or play. There it is. That develops the story from an earlier film by telling you what happened before the events in the first film. So we say it again. That's a great request. The Alien franchise can be tricky due to the prequels and the fact that new entries keep adding to the timeline. Here is a chronological order for Alien series, including films featuring Sigourney Weaver, Alien or Ellen Ripley in the story, and the new entries, including the new TV show. So I haven't seen this, so this is exciting. So you're getting an English lesson with me and a lot of explanations, but I'm actually getting stuff for me too. So it's a win-win, and it keeps me motivated to keep doing these live streams in the future.